If you are confused about how to create industry grade cinematic shots, you are not alone. With so many AI video generators out there, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. That's where Higgsfield Cinema Studio comes in. It's an AI video tool designed specifically for cinematic storytelling, giving you control over camera movement, lenses, framing, and much more. But before we dive into Cinema Studio, let's talk about Higgsfield itself. If you haven't heard about it yet, Higgsfield is basically all in one hub for AI, images, and video generations. It brings together some of the most powerful models available out there, letting you work with tools like Nano Banana, Sora, View 3, and much more, all from a single platform. And to show you how it actually looks like in practice, here are a few samples created using Higgsfield Cinema Studio.
I hope you like this. Why so serious? I know who you are. No, no, no. I'm just ahead of the curve.
Merry Christmas.
Why let me down the boy? I was telling the using the palm of my hand and they wanted to feel this personal. You're not even real. Maybe this time, let Christmas save you.
So after watching a few sample videos, you probably already have a good idea of what Higgsfield Cinema Studio can do. It is not just about generating cinematic shots. It can also handle proper background sounds, multiple people speaking, and even lip syncs. And yeah, you might not get the perfect result on first try, but after a few attempts, you will definitely be able to get the exact clip you want. And here is how to use it. So once you log into this platform, you have to just come to the Cinema Studio option over here. So once you come to the Cinema Studio option, like here we have a and here we have option for generating images and videos. For generating videos, we need at least a starting frame of the videos. We can also use in frame, but at least it requires to have a start frame. It doesn't work just with text. So first we have to go with image generation bar. Despite it gives image generation over here, but if you want, you can also use any other image generator over here, like Nano Banana Pro or any others. Like here, you can just select it and you can have any of these image generator based on your requirements. But for now, let's just use the image generator given over here in Cinema Studios. So firstly, like you can just add any of the reference images if you want. It can be like image from your system or even like image that you have already generated. So and the best thing is like you can also change your camera and lens and the focal length. So if you have the knowledge, you can just change based on your knowledge what you want. If not, you can like just ask the ChatGPT about it and just change it based on your requirement. And once you are done with this, you can also like generate a batch images like I mean like either one image or like four images at once. Generate 1K, 2K or 4K images based on your requirements. As of now, like have a resolution of 2K. So based on requirements, but make sure like as you are selecting all this, like your token cost will also be like the credit will also increase. So it's like I will like generate four images of 2K resolution and then based on all these things like I will hit the generate option and it will start generating. This may take some time and these are the images it has generated. So if you are satisfied with this then well and good, but if you are not satisfied with this, you can just go to Nano Banana and then just generate your images, but in a aspect ratio of 21:9 because that is the aspect ratio this cinema studio generates the video in. And once we are satisfied with the starting frame and ending frame, if we have one, let's assume we want to have our video generator with this frame. So like we will click on the animate. And here it has selected that same image at the starting frame of this video generation option. Before generating the video, let me show you a few options. Like here we can change the movement options, like any of these based on requirements. Like as of now, I will be selecting static, but we can also have any other options like or like let's just, if you want to know about it, you can just over here and you will know what it is. So like maybe I will go with this, I guess. This is orbit around, and then here we'll write our prompt. And like we can either generate our 10-second image or a 5-second image. And we can also like generate audio from here. If you want, like we can have like slow motion video generation. Oh, we can have our slow motion video generated over here. So let me just close this, and like based on here, like we can also select how many video we want to generate, like in a batch. So for now, I'll be selecting like two options. So I have tested this previously, and these were a few other options like it has generated. And so I will hit generate option over here, and so here it has added in the queue. And here's the video it has generated. Like and here is another video it has generated. With the right prompts, you can turn a simple image into cinematic shots with realistic motion, depth, and atmosphere. I'll be sharing new AI tools and the latest AI updates. If that sounds useful to you, hit that subscribe button. I will keep bringing similar videos like this. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos on Higgsfield features or any other AI tools. And what do you think about the results from this one? And I will see you in the next video.